was a budget build.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
You built this?
Yes. So, we didn't get the flexi that we were supposed to get, because we're supposed to get half-inch.
Okay.
So it wasn't ready for the show. So we had to use quarter-inch. So it flexes quite a bit. So as soon as we get the new one, well, we just wanted to get it out here.
That's right. Yeah.
Just for the show.
Yeah. Awesome.
And we did this in 2 weeks.
Okay. So I guess these are the DX series?
Yeah, the DX series, American base. This was a budget build. 10.0, the shallow mount, fiberglass enclosure, an MDF, 2 DS18 5 channels running the whole system, and a Timpano DSP.
That's a really nice box. So you're able to see in there. I know you said it wasn't what you wanted yet, but it still looks good.
Yeah, so we just, like I said, we wanted to get it out here. So as soon as we get the new acrylic, we got to pop those up and actually slap them in there. But not bad for a 2-week build.
That's right, yeah. And these are the 2Ks or?
Yeah, I believe they're 2K. The GNX 5004 or something like that.
Yeah.
I don't even remember. We got them such a while ago.
Which one's the sub amp? Or are they both sub amps?
They're both sub. One's running a pair and the other one's running a pair.
Okay. Got it. All right, check it out. I'll hear it. Can I hear it?
I'll let the...
Okay. I'll get some subflex and then this hat shut. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Wow. That looks good. Thank you for showing me.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. for showing me.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop